In today's video, we are going to be sublimating on this Dollar Tree dry erase board easel. It is 4.5 by 5 inches. If you want to experiment, I've never done this before, so if you want to see me experiment, just keep watching. If you're new to my channel, my name is Leslie. My channel is all about crafting on a budget. I do sublimation, Cricut, and kid craft videos. So if any of those things interest you, please subscribe. We're on our way to 600 subscribers. Maybe by the time this video is up, we're past that. So thank you so much for supporting me, and let's get into the video. So as you can see, I already sublimated on the easel. This is without laminate sheet or anything. This is like natural. Do you see that? The colors are there, but they're not vibrant. I tried to go over it again to kind of see if more time and pressure would do it, but as you can see, there's some ghosting now, so the colors are not vibrant. I did this with my easy press. I didn't do it with my heat press, so maybe with my heat press it might have been better, but I doubt it. So now we're going to try and do it using laminate sheets. I've seen lots of people use these, so I ordered this pack off Amazon. It was about $8 for 100 sheets, which is not bad at all, because if you go to Walmart, it's like $8 for like 20 sheets or something like that, maybe less amount of sheets. So we're gonna try this, so let's get into experimenting. Okay, so the laminate sheets look like this. I've never seen them before. They look like this, and it's like a pouch. So we're gonna cut it because we don't need both sides. We just need one. So let's open up our easel. So someone said they did this like directly on for 400 degrees for 80 seconds. I did it for 120 and I did not get good results, so I'm just gonna use the laminate. I don't want to jinx it. I'm gonna actually get my cutting mat. This is a Cricut cutting mat, and I'm gonna line this up. So I'm gonna take my True Control knife and I'm just going to cut. Fit. I'm gonna lift this leg up. I'm gonna cut right here. I'm just gonna make sure there's no dust on this, make sure it does fit. Then I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna cut this so that I don't waste any more paper. Then I have to, I don't know if we need to hear this first, but we're experimenting, right? So we're not gonna get it right the very first time. Now that we are lined up, we're gonna take some heat tape. And we're just gonna place them on. Okay, so now we're gonna move to the heat press. And some craft paper. I'm gonna flip it. I'm gonna do it 400 for 45 seconds at first, just because I don't know. I also need to check my pressure, so I'm gonna do that really quick. If this becomes a fail, I'm gonna be so upset. I'm just gonna look. I actually think the colors look pretty good already. I'm just gonna lift it up. I think that was good. Look how much released. A decent amount released. You can tell from that blue to that blue. Look how it turned out. It's so good. There's a few bubbles in it. There's like a few cracks in it. I'm gonna give you a close-up in a second so you can see. But the colors are really, really good. Really, really good. I love how the colors turned out. It's popping for sure. So I'm just gonna take, I have these Cricut scissors. I've shown them before. They're very pointy. So I'm just gonna take this and I'm gonna cut off the excess laminate right here. And that's it. We're all done. So now I'm going to give you a close-up so you can see a comparison of what it's like to do it without the laminate sheet and what it's like to do it with. Sorry you can see my ring light in there, but this is how it looks, like just straight. This is with my easy press. I should have gotten a third one so you can see with my heat press, because I'm sure my heat press can provide way more pressure than my easy press. So if you want to see me try it with the heat press and without a laminate sheet, let me know down below. And then this is, you see the difference in the colors? Do you see that difference in the colors? See that? So what I noticed with the laminate sheet is there's like, do you see that? Like right there, there's like all these little cracks. So I don't know if that's from like no pressure in those areas or what that is, but the colors are definitely popping though. Definitely popping. Right there. So I love how it turned out with the laminate sheet. I don't like the little cracks, and I'm not sure if that's like from not enough pressure in those areas or what it is, because it's almost all around. So I don't know what that's from, but the colors are popping. Also, this would be really good to do like a photo as a gift, and it already has like a little stand. So it would be a cute little gift. Yeah, you should do like a photo on it. So let me know down below if you want me to try these again, but with my heat press instead of the easy press, because the easy press, I don't know, maybe doing it with my heat press would be different, like alone without the laminate sheet, because there'll be more pressure than my easy press. Maybe there'll be a better color payout. I don't know, we'll have to test in the future, but I'm pretty happy. Not wake up the child. I'm pretty happy with how it turned out. I love that the colors are popping. Let me know down below if there's anything you would like me to try, experiment. There will be more videos coming in this 10 days of Craftmas series, so keep your eye out on those. And yes, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to comment down below. I love interacting with you guys. Let me know what you want to see. I want to do videos that you want to see. Let me know any feedback. And yeah, I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. I definitely need to tighten that. Bye.